Did you know that you could search our collection by reading level? Simply choose Search Collection on the library homepage. In the top right-hand corner, under Advanced Search, choose Reading Levels. Here, you can enter your child's Lexile measure or AR reading level. You can also limit the search by title, author, or subject. This will then reveal the works in our collection that are on your child's Lexile measure and their AR equivalent. You can further limit your search by format, just physical books or ebooks, as well as by collection, just fiction or nonfiction. Have a great school year from all of us at the Catawba County Library.